Hi everyone, this is a quick orientation on our Sakai course site, just so that you can become familiar with it and how to navigate through it and complete the course in the 4 weeks. So first of all, you'll have a button that says ES 5820A, Climate Impacts, that's your course. And the first thing you see here on the left-hand column is a button for Overview. This is the length of the course, how it's 4 weekly lessons. It has my name and my information here, and then a little bit of information on if you have tech issues, how to get in touch with the help desk. Another important piece of information on the right are announcements. You can come here and see if there are any. So after that, on the left-hand column, one of the most important pieces of information for you is this Lessons button. And when you click on that, you'll see there is a button for getting started and then for each week. So the first thing you want to do is click on the getting started and you'll see an introduction to the course and important information. Some of this is taken from the syllabus and it does talk to you about how you will receive verification for this course, whether you're receiving credit or if you're just auditing the course. For either, if you're trying to receive credit, you need to at least complete 75% of the requested assignments, and you will be given an evaluation from Antioch. If you are just auditing the course, to receive a certificate of completion, you still need to complete about 50% of the assignments. So there will be an introduction here, and then you can go back to this little button, Lessons. You can hit it here or on the left-hand corner. And then every week you're going to want to go into your weekly lesson and it will give you your learning objectives for the week. It will have a handy dandy checklist so you can check off everything that you've completed to keep yourself up to date. And then there'll be different sections. Sometimes there'll be an article of the week where you'll have to do a forum post. Sometimes there'll be videos and there'll be posts on that. And then another important piece is this required readings and videos. And those are important because at the end, you will see that here are the assignments for the week. And so you can click on these links and it will take you to the specific reading or resource. And then at the bottom, you'll notice it'll say something like assignment number 1. And you'll click on that when you're ready to submit the assignment. It has the instructions again. It'll give you a date on when it's due. And then you can submit the assignment there. Now, when you want to go back, you can always just hit Lessons to go back. So it's important to just note that this is an asynchronous course. However, there are going to be some times when we will have webinars in terms of a synchronous manner, where we'll have a guest speaker or an expert of the field. And while these are optional, I highly encourage you to attend if possible, just because you can interface directly with that expert and it's a great networking opportunity. If you can't attend, the only added item you have to do is that you still have to watch the recording and then you have to submit, there'll be a place to submit it in that weekly lesson. You'll have to submit a question that wasn't asked by anybody else at the end of that webinar. And I actually take all of those together. For anybody who missed it, I will resubmit them to the guest speaker and hopefully we'll get a few good answers for you guys to kind of read about. So that's it in a nutshell. Again, this Lessons on the left-hand side is really your main interface with the Sakai site. There's also a piece for syllabus. However, I encourage you to look at each of these lesson plans because the syllabus is always changing. And I think that's it. So I look forward to working with you for the next 4 weeks.